Hey guys, Peter here. So some great news. With the Healy Analyse app, the Blue Dot app, we used to have something called a master key, and this was essentially the way to back up and save all your data that was encrypted. And now we no longer have to save a master key and then import a master key, which is essentially a file that used to be saved in a location somewhere and then would need to be imported to unlock our account. And this was causing a lot of challenges for people, but now things have become a lot easier. And essentially what's happening now is once we log in, it's just a simple verification code that gets sent to the email address that we have to enter in, and we no longer have to import or save or worry about a file or a master key. So as you can see here, I've logged in and it's asking for a verification code. Now be mindful that this code is only valid for the next 10 minutes. So if you need a new code, then a new one will be sent. And essentially you just go to your email address, and as you see here, I've got my verification code. So you can just remember this or copy and then paste it in. Now, once you paste it, if you didn't get the code for some reason, as you see down here, there's a option says request a new verification code and a new one will be sent. Or, of course, you can log in with another account. So once you've put in your verification code, you click submit, and then the simple next process is to sync and download all your backed up data. So it's as simple as that now. No more master key. A simple verification 6-digit code is just sent to your email, and you put that in and away you go.